You're watching K.O.S. Keep on shooting.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, K.O.S. So for today, I have a combination lock here, brand new. Here's a code. We're going to be shooting it with the blowgun. Let's see what type of damage we can do to it. We're going to be putting it on that post using an eye screw. So let's put it there and let's get shooting. Got my multi-tool here, my Leatherman. Let's put it on there. And we have it on there. Let's attach the lock. All right, let's open up the lock. The combination is 2, 19, and 35. So we have 2, 19, 35. There we go. Let's attach it. There we go. It's on there. Let's turn it a little more. That way, this part is facing to the front. And there we go. Now let's shoot it with the big bore blowgun. I'm just curious to see what type of damage we can do to it. And who knows, maybe we'll open up the shackle. So if you want to see, stick around. Okay, so here we have our big bore blowgun. We're going to be using the mini broadheads from K.O.S steel. Let's see if we can focus. 0.625 Magnum. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's take this off. Put it in my pocket. Here's a look on the tip on these darts. Let's see what type of damage they can do to that combination lock. First shot. I see a dent on it. Let's shoot it again. One stuck on there. Shoot it again. We got 2 on there. I'm gonna go for the middle part of the lock. Makes the darts fall. Let's keep shooting it. Pretty nice shots. I have one last one here. We'll shoot this one and then we'll go check out the lock. All right, let's go check it out. You got the darts there on the ground. And here we have our shots. Does it work? And no, it does not. It no longer spins or rotates. Oh, there we go. Let's see if we can still get it open. Let me bring in the tripod and let's see if we can open the lock. And there we have it, guys. Still functional. Let's keep shooting it. I recovered some darts. Very little damage on the tips, if any. Pretty good darts from K.O.S steel. And the best thing about this orange color, it's you can easily spot them anywhere. I have 5 here. I'm missing 1. You guys can come with me. Let's locate it. I know I saw it land over here somewhere. And I don't see it. Oh, just spotted it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right there. I pointed with the dart right here. All right, guys, I'm not gonna be able to finish the video. It just started raining on me. Look at those clouds. So we'll be revisiting this one another time. I'm gonna leave the lock on there and we'll keep shooting it some other time when it stops raining or another day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. Thank you for all the support. And as always, keep on shooting.